stir-fried chicken and pea tips? Yeah, I think so. Stick around. I'll show you how to make it. I've got about 4 pounds of chicken. I've cut it into cubes and I've marinated it in a few tablespoons of soy, a few tablespoons of rice wine, a few tablespoons of cornstarch, and I massaged it well and just let it sit for about half an hour, and then I'll deep fry it. This is my stir-fry sauce. It has a tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, a tablespoon of Chinese rice wine, and a few tablespoons each of soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and oyster sauce, and sugar. Then I've got a tablespoon of freshly ground black pepper. I've got equal parts of dried red chilies, sliced ginger, and sliced garlic. I have 2 onions that I sliced. Yes, that red stuff in there is a shallot. I had 1 shallot sitting around. I just thought, what the hell, I'll throw it in there with the onions. I have 1 bunch of scallions cut into 1.5-inch long pieces. And I've got about 10 ounces of cooked snow pea tips. And those are just going to go in at the last minute. The reason I like to cook them ahead of time is so they don't give off a lot of water, and I can control my moisture better when I'm while cooking. So I just flash sauteed those, season them with a little salt and garlic, and just set that aside. And there you have it. And I'm getting ready to fry the chicken in the wok, lay it into my paper towel area there. Then I'll stir fry my aromatics and vegetables, add my chicken in, add my sauce, and it's all going to come together in a matter of minutes. Hot oil, 375 degrees. 350-ish, 375 degrees. When the chicken goes in, it lowers the temperature of the oil. I don't turn it up. That way it's a cross between browning and velvety. It gives it a great texture when it's stir fried. You just do it in batches. It's super easy. So this concept of velveting as opposed to frying means that my marination in a very light liquid solution that has cornstarch in it without crisp frying and doing it at a slightly lower temperature than you would for crisp frying results in a very slippery texture, especially when you stir fry it a second time with liquids and vegetables. So yummy. And who says that you can't cook for 6 people in one wok? I don't recommend crowding it this much, but in a pinch. Woo! All of that incredible cornstarch on that chicken just thickened this up.